So, kids, good morning and welcome to this last session of Balamitra. Yeah, so 42 days. This is the 42nd day of our Balamitra. So, we are ready to end this program and definitely we'll be in touch with you. Don't worry. Okay. So, today's story is, are you excited to listen? How many of you are excited to listen? Show me the thumb. Thumbs up. Yes? Are you happy to listen to the story? Yay. Very good. Very interesting story. So, what happened? I will tell you the story. Today's story, super story. Okay? So, the story is about a journey. The journey of Chittu and Mittu. See, the story is about Chittu and Mittu. So, I think I should stop you people. Today also you are doing, huh? Last day also you will do the bad things, huh? So, I'll do one thing. I'll just come down and I need to stop. Otherwise, no? Right. Okay, I know that you are naughty kids. I don't worry. That's okay. Fine. Chalo, that's okay. You're all naughty kids. So I love you. Okay, fine. So today's story name is Mysterious Journey. The journey is Mysterious Journey. Rahasyamaina Prayanam. Bhayamestundi kada? Nakaite bhayamestundi. Chuddama bhayamestundo ledo? Okay. So what happened is, nothing happened now. We are starting the story. So this story is about a mysterious journey of two children. So let us see who are those children. Wow. Today's children, the story children are Mittu and Chittu. Okay. So Mittu and Chittu wanted to go for a journey, right? But it's not about journey they wanted. But one day what happened? They went to their grandmother. So they went to grandmother and asked grandmother, Grandma, actually, we want to become very good people. We want to become great people. We want to really become a great people. Okay, chalo, Dadima say, okay, beta, that's fine. So let me, ask you, why you want to become a great person? What do you want to actually get from becoming a great person? So Mittu says, Grandma, see, if we are a normal people, just normally study and normally become a, just a doctor or engineer, it's like in a normal profession, that's okay. But Grandma, we want to become a person with great values. We want a person who really help people, really care for people. So we don't want to become ordinary people. We want to become extraordinary people. Okay. So Grandma says, Chalo kids, we'll do one thing. I will give you a small challenge. Okay. So once you complete this challenge, by evening, you will become great. You will understand how to become great. It's not now become. So they said, okay, Grandma, whatever you say, we will do. So Grandma said, Chalo, get set, ready. This challenge is for one day. Morning you go, evening you come back. This challenge, by the end of challenge, you will learn what to do, how to become great. Oh, so they were ready. So Grandma said, see, this is our village. Our village name is Suryapuram. What is the village? Suryapuram. And you need to reach to the Chandrapuram by evening. So our village is Suryapuram and you will reach Chandrapuram by evening. Oh, Grandma, can we go by an auto? No, you're not allowed to go in the, auto, bus, nothing. You should walk and go. and come back in the evening. Okay, they said, oh, then how, what, how will go? They were like asking many questions inside. Grandma said, see, you pack your food, you take your books, take crayons, pencils, all your school bag, lunch bag, all the things, keep ready, everything set ready, and then go. Okay, so both of them, see, they had some chocolates to eat, then biscuits in the bag, books, pencils, crayons, water bottle, shoes, everything they were. And they wanted to, did they go? See, they wanted to become great people, right? So they started going. Ting, 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 they started going. And what happened when they are going? They started going. It is in the morning, early morning, they started going. So they were just going. And see, when they just crossed the village, they saw a very big building. Bhoot Bangla jaisa. Huh? Bhoot Bangla. It's like very huge building, very old building. But there is no other way. They should cross that and then go. So both of them had lot of fear. See how they are? Very fearful faces. They said, "Are Chittu, Mittu, how we should go? That is very old inside. See, it is very dark inside." They saw from the window. Oh, very dark. So they said, Mittu. Chittu said, Mittu, we'll go back, Mittu. No becoming great, nothing, Mittu. Shall we go? No, Chittu said, no, Chittu. You're not going. We will go inside the building and see what will happen. Let us be very confident. Come on, chalo. So, slowly, they entered that building. See? Yeah, suddenly, something came. Wow. Bapre. See what is happening? Wow, someone came from inside. Huh? So it was very mysterious. It was very mysterious. So they were worried. But then Mittu said, no, don't worry. Let us fight with them. Tap. They fight with that guy. And they saw a lot of animals inside. They fight with all animals. And then they crossed the house. And they crossed the house. And they wanted to see what is this mysterious house. What is inside? They saw the house name is Confidence House. See, they crossed it. They understood that, oh, Dadima said we should actually be confident to become a great person. So this house is telling us that we should become confident. Okay. Right. So, then what happened, let me just try to go back and just give me 1 minute of time. I will try to, check the PowerPoint and come back. Okay, beta? Just a minute. Okay. And they had all the things ready and they started going. Chittu and Mittu wanted to become great and they asked the grandmother how to go, how to become great. So grandma said, you set ready and you go from Chandrapuram to Suryapuram and come back. So they started going. Then what happened? Yes, Radhika, you please follow me. So they saw very big building, very mysterious building, and see, it was very dark. Then Chittu said, no, I cannot go inside. So they tried going inside. See what is there. Thief was there. Animals were there. Lot of fighting, lot of, darkness. First they had lot of fear. But Mittu said, no, Chittu, let us fight. So they fight with them, fut. And they tried to win over them and they crossed the building outside. Nothing happened inside. See, they are out of the building. They crossed the building and just saw what is there? what is this mysterious building? They saw that it is written backside, Confidence House. What is the name? Confidence House. Oh, then they understand, Mittu, what grandma said, we need to be very, very confident. That is what makes us great person. They understand, oh, chalo. Then they started going. So, what happened? Again, they started going because they need to go, no? Then they saw very big building, very big wall. There was a big wall and one old man was standing there. So, they wanted to just pass by. Then this old man and old women said, no kids, you're not allowed inside. You're not allowed inside. To cross this, you should help us, both of us, to cross the wall. Then only we will leave you. Arey, you are so big, no? How we will do? No, we don't know anything. If you help us to cross the wall, you will go. Otherwise, we will not allow you. Then how? They tried, and then see what they did. They prepared a ladder. They bought all the sticks, they tied it, and the small nice ladder was made. And then this Mittu and Chittu hold Dadima, that old man, and they tried helping them to cross the wall. Wow! So they crossed. Ammaya, we crossed the wall. And they just went out and just say, oh, what is written? They saw the wall, that the wall is telling them, there was written backside that, respect and helping wall. Oh, then Chittu Mittu understood. Arey Mittu, that is what Dadima said. Our grandma said that, see, we should help others, we should respect others. Then only what happens? We will become very, very great person. Wow, so nice. 2 lessons they got. One is they should, Confidence House told them that they should be confident, and this wall told them that they should respect and they should help. Oh, they started going. Tong, again going. So Mittu, Chittu little tired. But they said, no. We should go to Suryapuram. Then only we will become very great. We will understand how to become great. Ting. Wow, suddenly they stopped. Very big tree, and there were people in the middle of the jungle. It was Gurukulam. And these people saw amazingly, Arey, what is happening here? Chalo. Mittu said, Chittu, let us see what is happening here. No. What? Mittu said? Chittu said, no, Mittu, we will go, chalo. Why to wait here? We will go. No. So both of them tried going, and these people called him. All the people said, no kids, you are not going from here. You are not allowed to go from here. What you should do? Please allow us to go. Please allow us to go. So they wanted to go. Okay. So what happened? These people asked. What they asked? See, you should, first we want you to write a letter. We want you to write a, what? Story. We want you to dance. We want you to climb the tree. Everything you should do now. Then only you are allowed to go. Okay. Then they understood why grandma told them to take all the bags, school bag. Okay. So they took out the pencil, sketch pen, everything, and they started writing, they started drawing, they started dancing, they started singing, and they climbed the tree, they jumped. Everything they have done it. Oh, please allow us to go. No, please allow, sir. Then they said, okay. Now you are allowed, go. Then they crossed. And then they say, what is this tree? Very mysterious tree. Then there was written like skills tree. Oh, then they understand, Arey, grandma told to cross from Chandrapuram to Suryapuram because they want us to learn skills to become great. Very good. Chalo. Now, then what happened? They were going again, ting, ting, they were going. Then what happened suddenly? They saw a river, a flowing river, nicely flowing river. And they wanted to cross. But there were so many water animals. Ducks were there, frog was there, snakes were there, like small. Crocodile was there, fish was there, prawns were there, small. They were amazing to see. But they said, why we need to worry? Chalo Mittu, we will go. They wanted to just enter the river, just wanted to cross. Then what happened? See, all the water animals attacked and said, no, Mittu, no Chittu, you are not allowed to go. What to do? You should become blindfold, touch us and tell what we should, which animal we are. So you should touch us and tell. They started doing, see, they started touching each animal and they started touching the fishes, crocodiles, everything, tortoise, everything they were trying to touch and say. Then they said, okay, now you should go backward. You should go backward. Ting, ting, not forward. As a forward jate na? No. In this river you should go backward. Ting, ting, backward. So they went slowly backward and said, Ammaya, God bless us, Mittu, God bless us, Chittu, let us go. So they just crossed the river and they just turned back and see. Then they understood, Arey, it is creativity river. See, blindfold, touching, doing different things, backward walking, all these things are creativity, right brain activation. Oh, Mittu, this is creativity river, Mittu. So our grandmother said she wanted to be very creative if you want to become great. Wow, so nice of. Chalo. Then they started going again. Ting, ting, ting. Again, they were actually getting little tired. It was evening almost. It was almost evening. They started going. Then let us see what happened. It was dark. Evening 6 o'clock. It was dark. Chittu, see Chittu? No, Mittu, I cannot come, Mittu. Please. I cannot go. Please stop here. And both of them started thinking negative. Mittu and Chittu started thinking negative. We cannot go. We will give up here. We will go home. Okay, chalo. Then what happened? One man came and he said, see, you should think positive. You should think positive. You should have confidence. Okay? You should be very good. So don't think negative. Now start thinking positive. Okay. So they started thinking positive and they started feeling light. Light means not light, inside light. They started feeling very good feeling and they get very motivated and they started going. And they turn and see what they can see. Wow. They saw that man is mysterious, positive man. So that man is not a normal man. He said, positive man. He said, be positive. Don't be negative. Oh, then they understand and they reached point finally. Yes, they tried reaching where? They reached the Suryapuram. From Chandrapuram, they reached Suryapuram. Back. No, go back. Yes, they started going in the auto. Show me the auto. Show me the auto. Okay, so both of them sat in the auto and they wanted to come back to Dadima. So now 5 things, let me see. 5 things, yes. They understood that. Confidence house, respect and helping wall, skills tree, creativity river, positive man. So they crossed Suryapuram to Chandrapuram to Suryapuram. But now kids, let me tell you, all of you also crossed these 5 things already in Balamitra. You are already crossed this Balamitra. This journey of Balamitra is completely crossing this mysterious journey. You have already done it. Okay, so then they went back to Dadima. Okay, so they went to grandmother and they said, grandmother, we went to Suryapuram and we came back. Then grandma said, see, if you want to become great, you should go and attend Balamitra every summer. Oh, they understood. So they said, yes, we will become great by attending Balamitra. They said, thank you, Dadima. Thank you so much. Then what happened? Chalo, show us the moral of the story. Moral is, continue with the changes you have gained in Balamitra. Okay? So whatever you understood in this Balamitra 42 days, you are continuing them and you will come back. Nice colors, great colors. Yeah? Can we go to the gallery view? Yes? Thank you, Radhika. Go back to gallery, then we'll show the activities little later. Just I want to see them and come back. Yes, kids? So you understood, right? Yes? So this is journey of what? Journey of Balamitra. Okay? Shall I show the activities now? Yes. Show the activities again. Radhika? We'll go to the activities and then say bye. Yeah. So today's activities are very simple. Yes, Radhika. Can we see the activities? Yeah, next. So first activity is you make a card of Balamitra. B is brave, attentive, loving and caring. Affirmative means positive. Okay? Then mindful, interest in studies, talent, respect for elders and acceptance. I want you to make a card. First activity. Second, you should prepare these cards. Not one, these are 5 cards. Confidence house, all these things are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards you should prepare. Positive man, creativity river, nice colors, use and make 5 cards and send us in the evening. Very good. Next. And they should be in one place only. Make a tile and send. And finally, we want you to, tip of the day, you write Balamitra and stick to your mirror. Daily you comb your hair, see your face, right? There you stick this Balamitra on your mirror so that you will not forget Balamitra. You will continue all the activities of Balamitra. Okay? Yes. Then shall we go to the riddle? Yesterday's riddle was सिंदूर है पर पुजारी नहीं है, पूंछ है पर बंदर नहीं है. Who is that? That is squirrel. Okay, నామం ఉన్నది కానీ పూజారి కాదు, తోక ఉంది కానీ కోతి కాదు. That is squirrel, ఉడత. Okay? So today's riddle, madam. Wow. Today's riddle is, neither is there rain nor sunlight, but the crop is very much green. Neither beetle leaf or slacked lime, but mouth is red. ना बारिश है, ना धूप है, हरियाली है. ना पान का पत्ता है, ना ही चुना, मगर मुंह लाल है. अब्बो, very tough, no? తెలుగులో చెప్పనా? వాన లేక ఎండ లేక పైరు పచ్చగా, ఆకు లేకున్నా సున్నం లేకున్నా నోరు ఎర్రగా. ఇదేంటో మీరు సాయంత్రం నాకు చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, చలో. Now go back to the screen. We want to say bye to the kids. Yes. Yes. Richa madam, can we have Richa? She's there or she left? Richa? Radhika, can you see Richa? Unmute her. Can we? Manoj is there, no? Manoj? Hey kids, I was telling you about Manoj, no? Manoj sir, who will make all your videos every day. Yes, Manoj, raise your hand. I will come to you. Very good. మాట్లాడతాడు ఇప్పుడు మనోజ్ మాట్లాడతాడు మీతో. హలో చెప్పు మనోజ్ అందరికి గట్టిగా. నువ్వేం చేసేవాడివో చెప్పు రోజు.
I'm daily doing your activity videos. I'm excited to do that videos because your creativity, I love your creativity actually. Thank you so much, man. Actually, give me the opportunity out.
Okay. So Manoj is actually, Manoj sir used to help us in creating the videos every day. Okay. So he is Manoj. Okay. Arun Boda came. Thank you Manoj. All of you clap for Manoj. Can we say clap? Can we have a clapping for Manoj? Yes. Can you say thumbs up? High five. High five to Anna. Yes, high five. He's not uncle, he's Anna. Okay, high five to Anna, Manoj Anna. Yeah, thank you Manoj. Thank you so much. Okay. Do we have Richa here? Richa madam is here. Can I have you, Richa? I can't see Richa madam. Yes, Richa, please just say something so that we will close the session.
Okay.
Say bye.
So hello kids, and we really had a great time with you all, and we really love you. Everybody will love and everybody will miss. So hope to see you in our weekend sessions, and all the best. God bless you, and you should flourish in your future and be good. Take care of yourself, kids. I love you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Arun Boda came. Arun, can you see Arun Boda anywhere? No? Okay. So, thank you so much. So, all of you fill the Google form. Okay? Can I listen from one or two students? Kids, बच्चे से सुन सकती हूँ. What did you understand? Yes, about the story? Yes, Aura? Tell me, what did you understand?
Should be confident
Then?
and we should be positive.
Okay, then what to do? Huh? Right? Yes, Kanda?
And we should be confident and we should never be afraid.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, Shilpa? Shilpa Matthew? What did you understand?
I understand that we should be positive.
Okay, then? Right. Was the story very good? Today's story, last story? Did you like the story? Thumbs up? Yes? Do the activities, fill the form so that you will come to the next session. So when is the next session again? When is the next session? Saturday 12 o'clock. Saturday 12 o'clock. But you should, what you should do, you should fill the Google form. Then you will come to the Saturday session. Okay? Thank you so much. Say namaste.
Namaste.
Yes? Salute. Salute to whom?
Salute, sir.
Salute to? Salute to police. Yes. Kashvi? Yeah? Salute to whom?
To teachers, doctors and police.
Police. Correct. Salute to all of them who are helping us in lockdown. Okay? Thank you.
Mama,
Bye. See you on Saturday. Come back, fill the Google form and we'll be back with you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.